Hey guys, my name is Zachary2 and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I remix Collin. So here we go. So first of all, I'll add some flitters. And then, hold on, let me look. Should say dance party. If you guys can't see, it's fine. See dance party. And then add some music. Let's just say I add some omission. Just press this. And we'll just do not too cray for now. We'll add it. And then, next of all, press this. There should be like a little line button right here. Press that. And then, next of all, see the sound waves? And over here, you can press repeat music. And then we'll play it. So you can do it with no music or just music. And just music. If you want to have music and have talking, just keep it until if you're at your level. See how it works? See how it works? Alright, well, thank you guys, and I'm not gonna upload this video, but I'm not gonna upload the video I'm not gonna upload this remix, because I'm just showing you how I done it. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you very much. And game on.